We all have regrets in life, and often, these are the bumps that we encounter in our journey to success. While we all do things that in retrospect might seem to go against our better judgment, there are some things we believe you probably might never regret investing in. Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about 5 things you won't regret investing in. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. 1. The new and unknown. Start a new and unknown journey. Sure, the unknown scares us, but it's this strange and scary frontier where success truly lies. New chapters begin when you venture into new places. And yes, this will be scary at first, but only because of how uncertain it feels. However, you need to remember that almost everything in life could potentially be a risk. There are risks in things as simple as walking on the street. You might get robbed or get into a car accident. But you still make it to work, right? This is the same way you need to approach life's uncertainties. The best part about investing in things that take you out of your comfort zone is the ability to discover opportunities and experiences beyond the familiar, challenging your limits and discovering new and amazing things about yourself. Taking a leap into the unknown and learning to embrace the new could also widen your perspectives. Remember, personal growth is progress too. Making worthy investments in the new and unknown will remove possible future regrets. We're talking about the should-haves and could-haves that often plague us in later years. From now on, think about whether you'll regret missing out on something more than whether you will fail or not. Which brings us to 2. Failure. Learn from failures. Sounds strange, right? We're guessing you're here to invest in success and not the opposite. But there's no better way to succeed than by experiencing failure. And yes, this includes the pain. We've all experienced the bitterness of failure. You might have failed several classes in college, didn't make the wisest decisions to start your business career, had a couple of miscalculated investments, or experienced failed relationships that still sting up to this day. But what's important is accepting the pain that comes with it. If the time comes that you experience failure again, just remember that you've overcome it before and you're still going strong. Failure might be your most important, though often unintentional, investment. Setbacks are usually the best opportunities to learn from your mistakes and chart new courses that will bring you closer to your goals. When you survive failure, you also learn just how wonderful and resilient you are. Remember, learning from failure is just as much about making sure things stop going wrong as it is about getting things right. 3. The right people. Surround yourself with the right people. Now, once you've experienced failure, it'll be hard to get back up alone. That's why surrounding yourself with supportive and positive people could be one of the best investments to make. We've all made wrong decisions when it comes to friends. Perhaps you've had friends who used you or who were jealous of your success. Those are not the kinds of people you want in your life. What you want are people who value you and whom you can learn from. People who will help you thrive and who will laugh and celebrate with you when you're up, just as how they'll be there for you when you're down. These people won't feed off your sadness, stifle your growth, or envy your success. Invest in these people. Spend more time learning from them and growing with them. You deserve to be surrounded by positive energy and be able to share the same kind of positivity with the people you care about. 4. Doing more than thinking. Realize your plan. Thinking is important. You can't live life totally blind and rely only on luck. But overthinking is a real problem that might lead you to lose sight of your path. While you do need to plan, overthinking can result in procrastination. It could even lead you to ditching your plan completely. So make a plan and then make sure to execute it. Too much worrying about whether it's foolproof would only mean no time to actually test if it works. Anxiety from overthinking only brings you regret in the end. They say that fortune favors the bold, but it could just be that fortune favors those who actually get things done. Remember that. And conquer the world with your actions, not with thoughts that are simply carried around in your head. 5. Self-love. Love yourself. Finally, the one thing all these investments will lead you to is personal investment. Self-love is important. It is what that keeps you going. It'll remind you that yes, you can do these things. And yes, you are worth it. Remember, there will be people who like what you do, and others who won't. Don't worry too much about people's negative opinions of you. Instead, worry about whether you're getting better and getting to where you need to be. This isn't to say you should avoid criticism, but what we're saying is that you have value and your worth can never be based on the opinion of others. especially if their opinion was always negative to begin with. Be kinder to yourself. You won't regret it. So this was all about the video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.